Hello friends, here is my new video of chapter 7 Geography, our country India. Question and answers. I will also show you the uh, exercise questions like fill in the blanks and tick the correct answer of this chapter. So let's start with question answers of this chapter. So now question 1 is name the major physical division of India. First, the Great Himalaya, Himadri, the Northern Indian Plains, the Great Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plain, the islands. So these are the six physical divisions of India: Himalaya, Himadri, Northern Indian Plains, Great Indian Desert. Now we go to question 2. India shared its boundary with 7 countries. Name them. So our country India shares its land boundary with 7 countries. We have to name them. First, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and China. So then Sri Lanka do not share the land boundary with us, so it is not given here. It is sharing the island boundary. Now question 3 is which two major rivers fall into Arabian Sea? Narmada and Tapi are the two major rivers that fall into the Arabian Sea. So Narmada River and Tapi River are the major rivers which fall into Arabian Sea. Now question 4, name the delta formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra. So we all know that Sundarban Delta is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now it's turn for question 5. How many states and union territories are there in India? Which state have a common capital? There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Haryana and Punjab have common capital. Like Haryana is also having Chandigarh and Punjab is also having the capital Chandigarh. So these are having common capital. And by mistake here it is written as 9 union territories, but the answer is 8 union territories. Now question 6, why do a large number of people live in northern plains? Because it is fit for agriculture, development, transport is easy, there are employment opportunities, water is easily available, agriculture based industries have developed. So now it is very fine for agriculture. We can easily there are much farming places, we can easily grow crops there, and much transport is very easy as it is plain, and many employment opportunities are also there, and water is also very easily available, and agriculture based industries have also developed. So it is written agro, but it's agriculture based. Now we go to question 7. Why is Lakshadweep known as a coral island? Lakshadweep is known as a coral island because skeleton of polyps have piles up to form island. So now why it is known as coral island? Because skeletons of polyps die and they form as a island, and that is why it is having the name as coral island. It is having skeleton of polyps. Now we come to fill ups and tick the correct. Now tick the correct answer. A part, the southernmost Himalayas are known as Shivaliks, Himadri or Himachal. So the correct answer is Shivaliks. Now then it comes Sahidris are also known as Aravali, Western Ghats or Himadri. So the right answer is Western Ghats. The Palk Strait lies between the countries Sri Lanka and Maldives, India and Sri Lanka, or India and Maldives. So the correct answer is India and Sri Lanka. Now it comes Deepa, the Indian island in the Arabian Sea, are also known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Island, Maldives. So the correct answer is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Now, EPAT, the oldest mountain range in India, is Aravalli Hills, Western Ghats or Himalayas. So the oldest mountain range in India is Aravalli Hills. Now fill in the blanks. India has an area of about dash. Now India has area about 3.28 million square kilometers. So this is the answer. The Greater Himalayas are also known as dash. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri. Now the largest state in India in terms of area is dash. It is Rajasthan. In terms of area, the largest state in India is Rajasthan. The river Narmada falls into the dash sea. The river Narmada falls into Arabian Sea. The latitude that runs almost half through India is dash Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north. So this was my video of chapter 7 Geography Our Country India exercise questions. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Bye.